You people are pathetic. I give you something new to experience, yet all you do is ruin it, trying to dissect it, piece by piece in search of any ounce of secrets you could possibly find. Why can't you play alone for once? That is out of the question. You will stay put. Amy, put the mask back on. Know your place. As long as there's people who refuse to move on, I'll still be here. Why must you ruin everything? Whoops! Looks like you stumbled upon something you shouldn't be seeing. That's okay. You're just curious. Make sure to follow the path next time. Play your part, Sammy. Oh, the end of the path leads for more roads to follow. What the fuck is that? That's not me. These games we play. Please say you're staying, so we can keep having fun. Justice once I'll bore you. Say, if I bore you, I'll find what can be done. Just this once. Time for fan line. Hi, niece.
Oh, you're like middle-aged, yet you still act like a child.
Why are you so mean, Rodney? I hate you. Who the fuck is this? I'm a kid. I think I went a little overboard.
Ollie, are you drunk again?
No. Stop, I'm with another version of me that is red. The moon is made of cheese, the earth is flat, and the sun is a donut.